Well, hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for being here. I am so happy to have you here, and I'm so happy to be doing this Boxycharm for January base box unboxing and variation reveal, all that good stuff. So let's get to it. But first, why don't you go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any more of my reviews, shenanigans, bad wigs, you know, all that good stuff, all that fun stuff. Leave me a comment, a like, and that way we can keep in touch. And last month's video, it wasn't a very good box. So, Boxycharm is kind of like hanging from its last leg with me. Let's hope for a good outcome this time. So let's get to it. Ready? It is the base box. Theme for this month is refresh. So yeah, okay, seems like a decent theme. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. We never start from the top. We always start from the bottom. This is not any different. Here's the first one. It is the Dragun Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. So here it is. We're going to go ahead and open it. And I mean, it's just a sharpener. It's a $1 sharpener. Whatever. Comes in a little case. Okay. This is the color. Ew. Okay, where's the cap? Did it really not come with a cap? It has to, because it's really sharp. Cap. Okay. Kind of not cool, but whatever. I guess stuff happens, right? So here it is. Dragun Beauty. I don't do nudes that often, but guess what? I'm wearing a nude today, so you never know. So we'll see about this one. We'll give it a whirl, give it a go. So it says contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this extra long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves for fuller lips, needle free. Keep your lip job liners on point with this single blade Dragun Beauty logo sharpener. Seems all right. I mean, it's okay. Okay. Next up is Item Beauty by Addison Rae. Never heard of this one. It's a Lip Quip moisturizing lip oil. They're constantly giving lip oils in the Boxycharms. I think I've had like the past 3. Thanks to good for you ingredients like jojoba oil, almond oil, camellia japonica seed oil, and shea butter, this luscious gloss forms a juicy boost of hydration that keeps lips soft and kissable. It's brand new to Boxy. And this one is a Boxy exclusive, so I guess you're not going to find it anywhere else except for Boxy. This one is a new brand to Boxy. Yeah, Dragun we've gotten before. So, we'll give it a try. This one MSRP is for $14. Yeah, this color is not for me. It's cute. Cute packaging. But this color is just not for me, so this is a no-go for me. No, thank you. Okay, time to move on, Next up, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade Brush 7B Dual-Ended Angled Brush Set. Woohoo! Anastasia! That's a great brand. It's a good brand, expensive brand. So it is the... Oh, and they gave me the color Granite. So, I mean, I can't do browns on my eyebrows. My hair is dark. So, it's pretty much a blackish brown. Wow, they actually gave me the right color. I'm happy about that. So, this is a treat. I feel like this is a treat. Here is the brush. Here is the angled thin brush. And here is the spoolie, whatever, right here. So, this is a treat. This is a great way to go to Boxycharm on this item. We'll put this right here on my lap to save it for later. Let's read a little bit about it. This Dipbrow pomade is a full pigment waterproof pomade that can be used to fill in and detail brows. So I love that it's full pigment and waterproof because Sometimes my eyebrows look a little sparse. So I might give that a try. I don't know. I have to practice though because I am not good at eyebrows. So the long-lasting buildable formula glides on, dries down completely, and stays put, giving you effortless, natural-looking textured brows. See, that's what I'm looking for, something more, that looks natural. I don't want to look all colored in and filled in. The brush 7B is a tapered angled brush with synthetic fibers and is ideal for applying powder and emollient-based products to the brows. Use the brush to create precise hair-like strokes or sweep color through the brow. Use the custom spoolie end to blend product through for a soft, natural-looking finish. This one MSRP is for $39. I wasn't expecting anything less because seriously, Anastasia is a good brand and they are expensive. They are a quality brand, I will say that. And I do like that they're cruelty-free and vegan. Let's go on to Dermelect Cosmeceuticals Revitalite Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Boy, that was a mouthful. So this is it right here. And we're going to look at it and read a little bit about it. Especially formulated to address serious dark circles. Yes, please. Reduce the look of tired and puffy under eye bags. Yes, please. I have like $50 bags of groceries under there. Lift and tighten the appearance of droopy eyelids. Yes, please. I have hooded eyes, so they droop even more than most, probably. Light diffusing pigments instantly and cleverly conceal any damage. Soothing cool tip applicator makes the eye area feel rejuvenated and energized. So it's a 5-in-1 treatment, it says. Awesome. This is actually pretty, this is actually getting me stoked up a little bit. So let's check it out. Let's take a look. Okay, so you need this big old box for this little tube. Could have saved on packaging, but it's okay. It's okay. Not my product. Cruelty free. So, that's good. I'm glad it's cruelty free. It doesn't say anything about being vegan, but that's okay since it's not tested on animals. Apply twice daily directly over eye area, including under eye, eyelid, brow bone, and inside eye area. Okay, I can do that. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm pretty stoked about this item now. Woohoo! I'm going to go ahead and place this on my lap too. Right here, ever so gently. The MSRP for Dermelect is $59. Honestly, for an item like this, I wasn't expecting it to be any cheaper. And last but not least, we're gonna do the Wandress Escape Eyeshadow Palette. So wow, we got some decent products in here. I don't see anywhere on here where it says it's cruelty free or vegan or anything of the sort. It says it's a luxurious buttery eyeshadow palette with a mix of neutrals and pops for a variety of stunning looks, completely inspired by the memories of members in our community. Take an escape with us and immerse yourself with long-lasting shimmers, satin, and more matte shadows. Okay, take a look at the colors. Oh, that's kind of pretty. It's just a little, oh wow, okay. It's hard to see, but you see the reflection of the, I don't know if y'all can see the shimmers. These two colors right here, that one and that one, are really pretty. When I opened it like this, I wasn't thinking much of it because it was just looked like a whole bunch of neutrals and a blue, which it pretty much is. But then once I looked at it, I was like, ooh. I'm really curious about this blue in this one. It's pretty. It's called Escape by Wandress Beauty. MSRP is $42. Wow. It better be good for that price. Let's do a recap of what we got. First, I gotta pick them up because, you know, I like making things more difficult on myself, as you can tell. I am happy with this box. The palette and the Anastasia and this Dermelect, 3 out of 5, not too bad. Not too bad. I'm not going to complain about this one. So I'm going to keep Boxycharm for now. They were on that little thin line, but we're going to go ahead and move them up a notch. And I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing for Boxycharm January 2022. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.